Alright guys, so in this video what doing is I'm working on my series which is a kids TV show on YouTube. So this show is made for kids from age from 3 to maybe 10, 12, but even you can watch it because it's super fun. So in this video I'm working on the fourth episode, and specifically in this short tutorial, it's not actually a tutorial, it's just a walkthrough process. So in this walkthrough process I'm going to take you through how I decide upon uh, the manual focus distance and how I use story to drive the focus distance. So I never keep the focus distance random. So yeah, that is what we are going to work in this one. So stick till the end if you enjoy this episode. And yeah, let's start. He picks up the carrot, it comes to him, it tickles his nose. And then, as he's trying to put it as a nose on the snowman's face, he sneezes, and the carrot goes through the snowman, and then he starts melting.
Oh, oh no! I ruined it all!
It's all right, Tango. We can build.
Okay, so today's task is first get this books.
Now.
Second, um, animate tango. And third, as you can see, this is not in focus. So if I go here in camera, let's focus on this part. Let's go to the first frame. Yeah, this one. So right here, I need to change the focal distance, and to better visualize it, I will also turn on the debug focus plane, so I'll know where I'm putting the focus. And this is how you can change the focal distance. And from here, this is the last frame, and the focus is where you keep it at this. And for this, I think you can do it. Yeah, that's better. So perfect. Here, and again, I change the focus. So we'll just keep it at him. This is good because I don't want to show the angular parts of the snowman because obviously he's not gonna be angular. But that is how I've made it. It's locally modeled. Even here, with the same focus. So that's how the time stays in focus all the time. Here again at this frame, I'll change the focus to make the snowman in focus. Just copy this focus distance and repaste it here. So what do we have so far? Let's do the same thing here as well. Okay, let's get done with the focus thing. So till here, I have already animated the focused distance. But yeah, here it goes on. So till here, I want it to be like this. Seriously, on the edge of the snow. So this is perfect. Here I think you can change the focus and bring it slightly closer till here. because this is at this plane where the food is gonna go inside. So then here we can change it to this. Then I want to focus specifically on this wood, so I can change it till here. Then it goes pretty close. So as you can see, this point will need to get it extremely close. Just and then on the price efforts, then change the focus to magic. Easy like that.
Wow, Tango. Your snowman is so big.
Thanks, but wait, it's not ready yet. Now, just one thing. Just
Big.
thanks, but wait, it's not ready. One thing left.
Right at this point where I've direct camera change, you can see there are two keyframes. Since there are two keyframes, I will make them both constant. So on this keyframe we start the video here. As you can see on this keyframe it ends here. But if you see it should have the same focal distance here as well. So let's quickly test it. Then just to make the snowman in focus, and on the next frame Tango is in focus.
Thing left.
Now I made a stick like this. This should have been linear.
Thing left.
Yeah.
Thing left. One thing left.
I think at this point the character comes in focus. This is good. But even up till here, Tango should be in focus. Tango is in focus.
Left.
And then suddenly the character is in focus. So here we can specifically focus on this part. So as you can see here, the carrot is a bit blurry. and then the borders of Tango will be blurry. Yet to animate Tango, but I'll make sure to keep his nose at this point even slightly lower to exactly match the tip of the carrot. So here we can probably keep the focus on the carrot. Even here it should be on the carrot. And as it goes, yeah, perfect. Till here we can keep the focus on him because he will be laughing at this point. Then on to the next frame, um, we go from Tango to the carrot. So at this point, focus should be on the carrot, just like that. First it's on Tango and then it goes up to the carrot. It stays on the carrot up till this point. So we'll just change it. Yeah, perfect. Let's go to the next camera angle. We'll also write correction tools. Exactly. At this point, we'll need to change the focus from 0 to carrot. I'm going to add like a particle effect to show a burst of snow getting out of its head as the carrot moves there, and as well as through the back as well. So it goes like this. There will be a blast of snow. When we see Tango through this hole that we have made, I think we can get the focal distance a bit closer because even the Tango is getting blurred here. So this should be the focus. And let's copy the focus value and paste it in the second frame as well. But now the problem is, oh, it's fine. This is not fully visible. So we have him. Then through this he'll come close and look through the hole. Then the next scene we see a close-up of the snowman itself, as if he's turned at what Tango did to him. And then at this point, we first want Tango in focus. And I think I can keep this snowman in focus directly because in the next scene, Tango will be in focus. So here we lock it onto the snowman.
Oh.
Till here, focus should be on snowman.
Oh. Oh no! I ruined it all! Oh no!
So when he says oh no, he'll be moving 90 degrees and looking in this direction away from the snowman. So for certain people, you need to change the statistic focal distance.
Oh no! Oh no! I ruined.
Let's copy this and paste it in here. So Oh, let's skip the welding solutions. I tried to copy the key. It works usually, but it didn't work this time. So let's do the weld. That's good. It looks good. So that's how I uh, decide on what to keep in focus and what to avoid. The focus distance is not usually just random things that you want to keep in focus. There should be a flow of story in it. So, for example, as you can see here, at this point, I first tried to show Tango's perspective, then the carrot, and the snowman is slightly blurred at this point. Then again, focus on the carrot, snowman. Then here, I could have kept focus here, but I wanted Tango in focus because there is where the emotions are gonna be. And then this is obvious that you need the snowman in focus here. And at this point, first we see the snowman venting. That's why the focus is on him.
Oh
And
no!
then Tango turns away and expresses his sad feelings, and that's why the focus shifts on him.
I
That's how
ruined
you
it
decide on
all!
It's
uh,
all
the management of focus distance.
right, Tango. We
So I think that's it for this episode.
Right.
This is not a tutorial on anything. I just keep on working and I like to share my work process. So if you like this video, you'll so if you like this video, do make sure to go and check out Little Tango Adventures. This is the channel, and these three are the longer episodes that I've uploaded so far. So as you can see, these are three episodes, and now I'm working on the fourth one. So this is also going to be divided in two parts. The first part ends at this point, and the second episode, which is going to be the fifth one, will start from this point where we make the snowman. So yeah, do give it a check and let me know your views on what I can improve and what you're going to see next. See you in the next video in a few hours, hopefully.